Hello, my name is Reed Alexander. In this video I will be reviewing Astroprint, which is a 3D printing cloud service that allows you to connect a Raspberry Pi or what's called an Astrobox Touch to a 3D printer and print wirelessly from your computer or from your phone as long as you have an internet connection. There's quite a few features of Astroprint. It lets you connect a camera and view the print. You can also make a time lapse of the print through the camera and set it to take a picture every 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and just every few minutes. And it will periodically take a picture, and you can change that to certain time frames. You can also make it to where every layer that the 3D printer does, it takes a picture, which is a pretty cool feature. And it's pretty easy to set up. I tried setting up Astroprint, which is a similar service, but it was a lot more difficult to set up, and so I just decided to go with Astroprint. And it didn't take that long, but it wasn't just extremely fast to set up, and but it's pretty easy to set up overall, and especially if you get the Astrobox Touch, that should be easy to set up. And the slicer has quite a few options on advanced settings, and it uses the Cura slicer default. And you can also store files in the cloud, in Astroprint Cloud, and print them from your computer or phone, which is pretty nice. So I think it was worth it. It's definitely nice to be able to make sure that my prints aren't failing, and if they do, then I can just cancel the print from the app or from a desktop computer, or basically any device that can run a web browser. And so it's a very good service and has a easy to use interface. For beginners or people that are going to use more advanced settings and things when slicing an object or an STL file and sending it to the printer. And that's it. Thanks for watching.